So welcome back guys to this brand new unboxing video. Today I'm going to unbox and review this Air Greenland Boeing 757-200 from NG Models. Enjoy! So let's start with the box. You can see the Air Greenland computerized image and as well as the name and the registration OY-GRL or Oscar Yankee Golf Romeo Lima. You can see the NG Models logo. So these are the side views. And the back of the box as well. So let's start the unboxing. So guys, this is the model out of the box. So I will give you a closer look in a second, but first of all I want to give you some information about this aircraft. So the airline is Air Greenland. The aircraft is a Boeing 757-236. It is in the present Air Greenland livery, although this aircraft isn't flying for Air Greenland anymore. It is currently operating for DHL as a cargo airplane. So the registration is OY-GRL. So the first flight took place in 1992 and it was delivered to Air Greenland in July 2002. The age of the aircraft is 28.1 years old and the line number is 449. The manufacturer's serial number is 25,620. It has two Rolls-Royce engines and it has a maximum takeoff weight of 255,000 pounds or 115,666 kilograms. A cruising speed of 544 miles per hour or Mach 0.80 or 876 kilometers per hour. It has a range of 3,900 miles or 6,700 kilometers. So this was a little information about this aircraft. So this is the close-up of the aircraft, starting with the cockpit. You can see that it's very detailed. Next to the cockpit we have L1 door. So right next to the L1 door we have the Air Greenland flag as well as the Air Greenland name. As you can see, it has also rolling landing gear. Right next to the Air Greenland name we have L2 door. So the rest of the fuselage you can see here. Here we have a little emergency exit door. And we're almost at the end of the airplane. Here we have the Greenland flag once again, together with the registration. Above the registration you can see very small decals of the Boeing 757-200 and we have the L3 door. As well as the tail. Very beautiful tail as well. So here you have a little close-up of the engine with the Air Greenland logo and name on it. As you can see, the Air Greenland 757 does not have winglets. So here you have a front view look. And the right side of the airplane is practically the same as the other side, except L1, L2 and L3. The doors are now called R1, R2 and R3. So here you have another close-up of the tail section of the airplane. So here you have the belly of the airplane. You can see the two engines very clearly from here. Also the main landing gear. It has 8 wheels on its main landing gear, 4 on each side, and the front landing gear has 2 wheels. As well as the registration underneath the left wing. So underneath the airplane you have an antenna as well as on top of the aircraft over here. So this concludes the review video of this Air Greenland Boeing 757-200 from NG Models in the 1/400 scale. I hope you liked it. So if you liked the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe if you want. In the near future, I will make a review of the Aeroflot Airbus A350-900 from in-flight 200 in the 1:200 scale, as well as a US Airways Airbus A330-200 in the 1:400 scale. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.